Mercedes SLK250 2012 for Apple CarPlay. We come round to the front of the vehicle here. Once we are inside, as you can see, we have the Apple CarPlay here. We have everything obviously available. As you can see, the phone is completely wireless on here. So if we come round to the front, obviously we have all of your apps through here. We have Apple Maps, we have Waze, Spotify. I'll click onto Spotify. We can turn the music up so you hear the sound. Then we can also use the scroller to go back. We have split screen on the very far left. And it also works with the controls on your steering wheel, such as volume up and down, muting and unmuting. Phone calls and answer will also answer as normal.